everyone, I'm Welder Crystal. This is our TB65 automatic tube and plate welding machine. To operate is very easy. When welding, I just need to insert the torch inside the pipe, then press the switch and it will weld automatically. Conventional TB65 torch mini welds 80 to 63 mm pipe diameter. If you have a special pipe diameter that needs to be welded, we can provide customer service to solve your problem. When it is welding, it can add wire by itself to weld inside collar. This is a rack welding. It can combine with a variety of tuning and mechanical arms for automatic welding. We have many machines. If you have requirements, we can customize the corresponding machine for you. It just needs to wait 1 minute, and it can finish the work automatically. Of course, in case you are not skilled, you can fine-tune it with the hand control books. It's almost done. Let's be patient. The welding is finished. Let's see the effect. If you have any question, please let them in the comment section or visit my homepage to contact us.